guys, good evening ladies and gentlemen. If you're new here, my name is Afro Carol, and if you're my turning subscriber, you are most welcome. So today is a Thursday and I'm making pasta bolognese. So here I have my vegetables that I need to put it first and roast. So this is what we are having for today. For our dinner today we are having a different variety, because as I said some time back in my other videos, I said every day has his own food. So today we are having pasta. So this is our vegetable. The oven is already hot. That it will roast like for 10 to 15 minutes, then I'll take it out. And then here I have tomatoes, I have my onions ready, I have vegetable oil, sorry about that. You have carrots and some pepper, then this is garlic. So come along as I prepare this dinner. So I also have some mushroom, which I forgot to show you guys earlier on. So here we are. I'm adding my oil in a pan. I give it a few minutes to heat. Then here we have our minced meat, and also let me check my veggies. Oh, it looks amazing. The oil is perfect. This is our food for today. I've taken a while without making this pasta, and also our mushroom. This remaining one, I'm going to make it into sauce also. So I'm first turn this one. And the onions, I want it to get ready a little of the onions before I add this garlic, before I add the using someone else's idea without me also showing you guys the little I know, we learn from one another. So here we are. I am going to add this garlic and ginger. We are adding our beef into the mixture. I will allow it to cook for. So here guys, our meat is looking so perfect. We're adding our carrots and our green chili pepper. Here we are. I will allow also this one to cook and see how the color is. So amazing. Let it cook. Our pasta is also there, which is ready. I'm draining it out from the hot water so that I put it in there. Okay guys, here I'm adding a full tablespoon of tomato paste. I cook my tomato paste also fast before adding the fresh tomatoes. So I first cook this one, mix it together, bring that. I cook it because when you put it direct and mix immediately with this one, I feel mine, it tastes a little sour. So I think for other people it's perfect the way they cook it, or they like it the way they do it, but mine, I always like to cook my tomato paste first before adding the fresh tomatoes, so that I don't feel that sourness into my food. So this is the result guys. there, but we are almost there. So I've added salt already. You can hear that simmering. That's what I want to hear. That shows that it's drying and I don't want it also. My tomatoes. I will allow also tomatoes to cook just a little bit so that I add in spices and our bolognese is ready. So let me check it now. Add some pepper, not too much because we have a child who doesn't like pepper. We have coriander. Curry powder. It's also nice with pasta bolognese. So those are the 3 ingredients I do add here. Here I am with my pasta. As you can see, guys, this is each and every pasta. We are normally not, but normally we are not cheese, or we don't do cheese that much. You guys can help me. In the house there are people who don't like it at all. So, and I've put it because they are not there. Who are here, we do eat it. So this is voila. My food is ready. So our pasta is ready. I'm going to organic it with a fresh parsley or fresh coriander. My dinner for today. Let us make some mushroom also. We are ready. For like parents who go toke, ugali, you know, brown ugali, you know, enjoy it. So let us make the mushroom. Add some oil. I normally use butter for my mushroom, but definitely adding onion. This is for our own mushroom. Let's finish mushroom business. We're adding the mushroom. I will allow this mushroom to boil. After drying up that water, that's when I will be adding. I'm going to add some garlic here. I have my garlic squeezer. This thing is a savior, especially when you don't want to pound it using the to every chef or to every cook, you know, comment section, and also you send me on how you cook your pastas, especially those ones who are pasta eaters, or the ones who love pasta. There we are. As you can see, the water has dried. So I'm adding milk, and I will let it boil with this milk. So let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. It will be ready when we serve. So guys, our mushroom is also ready. So this is how I like it. You let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. The milk will turn into cream, just because I don't have cream, but sometimes I normally use cream. So I'm adding some fresh parsley or fresh coriander. Then I also add pinch of coriander powder. Then I add some get that a little hotness of the black pepper. So this is our dinner for today, guys. We are serving it. So this is what I do when we are having our pasta bolognese. That is what I have with. So we're ready. I'm starting by serving the pasta. Pasta for today, and this is our sauce. I use that. Then I have also have some veggies which I roasted. So this is our dinner for today, guys. So I want to thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. Back home, thank you for leaving a comment in the comment section. I will be ready to answer you, to also to learn some 2 or 3 things from you guys, how you make your pastas or how you make your dinner. So today, this is what Afro Carol made. So come enjoy my dinner with me. God bless all of you.